Hi, my name is Nina. I'm from Brazil, and I study digital marketing at Tamwood.
Hi, I'm Malcolm Lee from South Korea. I'm studying digital marketing in Tamwood.
I had already finished a bachelor degree back home in Brazil, and I really wanted to improve my resume in general. But at the same time, I was already in the work industry, so I was trying to get to go to a country that I could study and work at the same time. And also, I heard that Canada had a lot of opportunity, so I chose Canada because of that.
With experienced instructors and a friendly environment, you will feel supported in your journey as an international student.
When I started my course with my friends, my international friends, it was really exciting. Like, I met Japanese friends, also Brazilian friends, some Italian friends. Like, it was really, I can meet lots of people, lots of friends from other countries.
My teachers were amazing. I cannot describe how important each one of them was. They guided me through the whole process. I felt supported in every single way, not just through my study journey, it was also through my living journey.
So our digital marketing program has 6 different courses, and they start off with Introduction to Digital Marketing, but then they move towards to different courses that are on par with the trends in the market. So one of them is social media and community management. We take the latest social media trends and have them practice as much as possible, also create a whole social media plan and execute it from start to finish. I know that one of our biggest differentiators is the fact that students work with real clients. By having those real hands-on experiences, they're able to get a glimpse of what the real market is like, and that's really valuable for them. They become more confident when they're looking for their co-op jobs. So that's really important when they're going into their journeys.
So I think experience with real clients is really important, a really good opportunity for me. So when I work in company, it should be all real, right? So for that experience can be decrease my nervous level like that. So yeah, it's in that case, so it should be really good.
I got my co-op because one of my teachers, he met me here and he understood that I was a good person to have in his team, and he hired me to have my co-op in his company. So that's how I think, like, that's one of the things that I think is key to get your co-op is to try to meet as many people as you can. We also have the co-op department here. They can send you all the co-op opportunities that you can find.
For our digital marketing course, you've got 2 options, diploma or certificate. With 24 weeks of study term, in the diploma, you'll cover 6 modules that break down everything you have to know about digital marketing. You'll also get 24 extra weeks of co-op, where you get the opportunity to gain work experience and practice what you've learned during the course. If you want something shorter, you can go for the certificate. After 24 weeks of learning, you get 3 more weeks for a hands-on capstone project to show off your skills. Another great advantage of studying at Tamwood is that you are also able to work during your study terms, which makes your international journey as a student more sustainable and achievable.
I think one of the most attractive points of the digital marketing program at Tamwood is that we have instructors from industry with real-world experience that they can bring into the classroom, providing practical examples and experience that the students can then take with them into industry, giving them an immense advantage in the marketplace.
So I always think like Tamwood is my first step, and Tamwood is really, I always feeling like thank you to Tamwood. Thank you, Tamwood.
I think Tamwood had a role in my life that I can't even describe. Coming to Canada, I'm sure, changed my life in so many ways, and taking the digital marketing course opened so many doors for me. Right now, my job that I have, all the perspective that I see in my life from now on is based on my course that I took at Tamwood, and I would recommend Tamwood for anyone. I can't even describe how thankful I am. This is a a one-in-a-life opportunity, and I'm glad that I took it.
Come to Tamwood and step into a life-changing adventure to help you realize your potential. Do more, learn more, be more with Tamwood.